In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. Whether it's connecting with friends and family or promoting a business, social media platforms offer endless opportunities. However, many individuals and businesses struggle to measure the effectiveness of their social media efforts. Without proper metrics in place, it can feel like guesswork rather than a strategic approach. If you find yourself unsure about the impact of your social media activities, you're not alone. Many people face this challenge and are left wondering if their efforts are truly making a difference. The good news is that by mastering social media metrics, you can transform your guesswork into guaranteed results. So what exactly are social media metrics? Simply put, they are measurable data points that help you evaluate the success of your social media campaigns. These metrics provide valuable insights into your audience engagement and allow you to make data-driven decisions for maximum impact. Why should you care about mastering these metrics? Well, let's consider some emotional objectives that might resonate with you. Frustration. You're tired of investing time and resources into your social media efforts without seeing tangible results. Doubt. You question whether your content is reaching the right audience or if it's resonating with them. Overwhelm. With so many different platforms available, tracking performance across all of them feels like an impossible task. Insecurity. You worry about being left behind as competitors seem to have a better grasp on their social media strategies. Now that we understand the emotional pain points associated with ineffective measurement practices, let's delve into how mastering social media metrics can alleviate these concerns. Clear ROI, return on investment. By understanding which posts generate the most engagement or drive traffic to your website, you can identify what content works best for your audience. This knowledge allows you to allocate your resources more effectively, ensuring you're maximizing your return on investment. Audience insights. Social media metrics provide valuable information about your audience demographics, interests, and behaviors. Armed with this knowledge, you can tailor your content to better resonate with the people who matter most to your business. Platform optimization. With numerous social media platforms available today, it's crucial to know which ones are driving the most value for your brand. By analyzing metrics specific to each platform, you can optimize your efforts by focusing on the channels that yield the best results. Competitive advantage. Understanding how well you're performing compared to competitors is essential for staying ahead in today's competitive landscape. Social media metrics allow you to benchmark against industry standards and identify areas where you can outperform rivals. Now that we've established why mastering social media metrics is vital, let's dive into how you can do it. Set clear objectives. Before diving into metrics analysis, define what success looks like for your social media campaigns. Are you aiming for increased brand awareness? More website traffic? Higher conversion rates? Setting clear objectives will help guide your measurement strategy and ensure alignment with overall business goals. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs. Once objectives are set, determine the KPIs that align with those goals. For example, if increasing brand awareness is a priority, track metrics such as reach and impressions. If driving website traffic is important, focus on click-through rates and referral sources. By identifying relevant KPIs upfront, tracking progress becomes more meaningful and actionable. Leverage analytics tools. Take advantage of various analytics tools provided by social media platforms themselves or third-party applications. These tools offer detailed insights into engagement levels, likes, comments, shares, audience demographics, age, gender, location, post performance over time, reach, impressions, and much more. Utilizing these tools will streamline data collection and make analysis more efficient. Regularly review and adjust. Metrics analysis is an ongoing process. Continuously monitor your social media performance, review the data regularly, and make adjustments as necessary. Identify patterns or trends in the metrics to inform future content strategies and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. In conclusion, mastering social media metrics is crucial for transforming guesswork into guaranteed results. By setting clear objectives, identifying relevant KPIs, leveraging analytics tools, and regularly reviewing performance, you can ensure that your social media efforts are strategic and effective. Say goodbye to frustration, doubt, overwhelm, and insecurity. It's time to take control of your social media success. Remember, clear ROI awaits you. Audience insights are within reach. Platform optimization is at your fingertips. And a competitive advantage can be yours. Now go forth with confidence as you master social media metrics for maximum impact.